The monkey. There are many kinds of monkeys in the jungle. Their habitat is the trees. They swing from tree to tree and they eat nuts, fruits, seeds, and flowers. Lizards. The lizard's habitat is a tropical forest. Lizards lay eggs and eat flying insects. Some lizards in the jungle can camouflage, which means they can change colors so other bigger animals won't eat them. Parrots. Parrots live in the jungle and sleep during the day and are awake at night. They live in the trees and they eat seeds, fruits, roots, flowers, and tree insects. Tigers live in the rainforest or on grasslands or a place called savannas. They are more active at night and they kill other animals for food. Tigers like to sleep in shady places. Poisonous blue dart frogs. Their habitat is mostly in the rainforest. They need to keep their skin wet. Their skin is poisonous. They sometimes live up to 8 years. When they are kept in zoos, their skin loses the poison. They love to eat small insects. Leopards. If you see their skin, they're spotted, and they mainly live in rainforests, deserts, or grasslands. They are very fast animals. They love to eat meat and other animals like mice, deer, and pigs. The red lemur lives in trees, in rainforests. They like to eat many different types of fruits, leaves, flowers, tree barks, and tree sap. They are very beautiful little animals. Here is a crocodile. Nina picked this jungle animal to investigate, and she had a lot of fun. She found out that they live in tropical or hot places near lakes, rivers, and wetland. They like to eat fish, frog, turtle, snakes, and birds, and other animals. You have to be careful because they bite. This is a tarantula spider. These spiders are very hairy, and they live on treetops and some burrow underground. They hunt at night. They have very good eyesight. They eat insects and grasshoppers. And these tarantulas lay baby spider eggs. But these tarantulas do not spin webs. Some people keep them as pets. They can bite, and it feels like a bee sting. This is the brown-throated sloth. It lives in South America's rainforest jungles. They love to live in the trees. They look like they're smiling because their fur is shaped around their mouth. They move very slowly and they eat lots of leaves. This is the jungle elephant. They are majestic, huge animals. They live in the forest or in tall grass, mostly near rivers or water. They eat plants, fruits, vegetables, bananas, sugarcane, and tree bark. They like to eat all day long. 80% of their day is spent eating. Snakes live in the rainforest. They like to hang out in trees. And some snakes are poisonous. And others are called constrictors. You know what that means? They hold on to its prey tightly. And then they eat it. Snakes eat lots of other animals.